What's up, y'all? Feats here with a Anti-Q. That's antique. An Apple IIc Plus. Where's it at? Look, the rainbow logo. The copyright on the back of this is 1988. Yes, this is a computer. Oh, and it's heavy. Okay, now I'm going to unscrew it. Just in case y'all don't know how to unscrew stuff.
It's like screwing in the reverse.
Whoops. Did you ever hurt yourself? Hope not. Three-legged tripods. Let's see. Let's find a little music for the monotony. Noony, 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 noo. Looking for a mashup. Oh, what the heck? Something from the Halloween 5 soundtrack. I got the screws out, I think. Whoa. Put this bad boy over. Oh, oh. What do we got here under the keyboard?
What we got in there, Santa Claus?
Nice keyboard with a low-grade board on it. Guess that would be the floppy drive. The power supply. What do we got here chip-wise? This is 1982. Nice old plastic chip. Well, that's inside of an Apple IIc computer from 1988. Let's see what this chip is. Oh, come on out of there. There we go. This is Apple 1987 copyright. I was 16 when they made this old hunk of junk. See ya.